If you have been wondering how can you download videos from TikTok, as we know you can download videos normally from TikTok, but they will come with a watermark that might be annoying sometimes. So if you want to download videos on TikTok and without watermarks, follow up with me in this video because I'll show you exactly how. First, we need to get something out of the way. We need to go to your Play Store and make sure you have Play Store or App Store basically. Make sure you have the TikTok app updated to the latest version. After that, quit from the store and go back to TikTok. Make sure you are logged in. Find the video that you want to download and tap on the share button right here. Once you tap there, you get these options. You can go ahead and save the video directly from TikTok, but it comes with a watermark. As I said, I'm going to save it. Once it does save, I will go ahead and check it out on the gallery, and I'll show you that there is basically a watermark on it. So let's go to gallery. Here is our video. I'm gonna go ahead and play it. As you can see, there is the watermark right there. So if you want to download the video without the watermark, let me show you how to do it. Go back to the same app, same button, tap on the share button right here. So it will get this list right there. You need to swipe until you find the copy link button, this one right here. So basically, you need to copy the link of that video. Once you do that, go to your browser and go to this website, snaptik.app. That is snaptik.app, and then paste your link right there. Once you're done, tap on download, wait for a couple of seconds, and you will get your video and the download button ready. Tap on download and wait for it to download to the end. Once it's done downloading, go to your gallery and you'll find the video right there. As you can see now, when I play the video, there is no watermark on it. And that is it for this video, guys. Please leave your concerns for me in the comments. I will check them out. Also, please like the video and subscribe if this video has helped you. It really does help the channel. And thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.